afternoon, everybody. It's BBQ with another video. You guys can see I'm BBQ with a hat. So we're in Lake Elsinore right now, a truck event. We're at a truck meet. It just started. It's supposed to start at 3 o'clock, and it's only 3:18. So we'll check out the rigs. Mine's right there, and there's Chow's Land Cruiser over here. He's already got it set up. So we're gonna be grilling in this area right here. And there's a Overland4LO meetup right here. There's Kevin. He's one of the founders of this the group. There's Nipo and Kevin's rig over there. There you go. You guys already seen it. I haven't posted a video yet, but I met him at the Temecula Overland meet before.
I had to get the springs done.
That's it. That's it for so far. BB8 and 4122. There it is, right there.
Paparazzi.
There's the movie star from the Kevin's video.
Yeah, that's the guy that told everyone else.
So everybody's eating now, chilling, about to munch on some. Meeting people that you only see on YouTube over here. Some YouTube people. Check it out. There we go. There's
What's up, Chris?
Phil and I didn't get your name.
Ray.
Ray, nice to meet you,
Nice
Ray.
to meet you, bro.
Nice. So checking out the different rigs. Nah, I should. There you go. There's a couple more at the end. I did a quick walk around real quick, you know, just to see what everybody is driving over here. So I'm about to join the festivities right now. So some people I invited that I know, that I follow on IG and YouTube. So most people are here right now. Some cake. I see cake.
That's my cord.
Oh, cookies. Pancit. Oh, there you go. Ooh. There's Jay-Z.
Always eating, and I want food.
All those things.
Let's go check out some barbecue. There you go. It's good. You gotta be here to have it. You guys missing out if you didn't go. I'll vlog again in a little bit.
But I don't know how, 'cause every time I bump right into you, I get all tongue-tied. Want you to know me, but I'm way too shy. I can't just go around admitting that it's you I like.
So I just realized I'm subscribed to this guy right here, is MP Trail Group on YouTube. So if you guys haven't subscribed to his YouTube channel,
Voice inside me, a voice that always says, give it a go, don't waste your time, 'cause you're running out. Give it a go and ask around, only takes one try, yeah. Even if she tells you no, then at least you know. So give it a go, give it a go. I just can't read you when you pass me by. Sometimes you look my way and say my name and I turn around, but when I see you, you just walk on by. It's like you wanna talk but get caught off by your own mind. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared I'll fail. I wish that I could listen to the voice inside me, a voice that always says, give it a go, don't waste your time, 'cause you're running out. Give it a go and ask around.
MP Trail Group. MP Trail Group on YouTube.
Hell yeah.
You have an Instagram too?
Yeah, same thing.
Same thing. All right.
Instagram.
I'm not on your IG yet, but
Yeah.
I'll subscribe. I'll follow and all that.
Appreciate it.
There you go. This is rig right there.
I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared I'll fail. I wish that I could listen to the voice inside me, a voice that always says, give it a go, don't waste your time, 'cause you're running out. Give it a go and ask her out. Only takes one try, yeah. Even if she tells you no, then at least you know. So give it a go, give it a go.
So Harry's sticker's a big hit over here. There you go. Say hi everybody.
Hello.
Hello. I'm subscribed to you too.
Hey, thank you, brother.
There you go. So two FJ cruisers hanging out. FJ owners. FJ cruiser owners. Buying stickers.
When I look at your channel.
All right. It's getting dark. We're winding down now, but we're still here. We're planning our next trip. But it's getting dark, like I said, and probably going to end this vlog right now. And I'll see you guys on our next vlog. And follow this guy,
Chris.
Get off the gridlock.
Nice meeting you, Chris.
And she's got a YouTube channel. What's your YouTube channel? Say your YouTube channel.
Oh, it's Kamai Yoda.
There you go. There you go.
All right, Chris.
It's
Nice meeting you, brother.
Nice meeting you.
Finally.
Finally, yeah.
Okay.
Good to meet you guys.
Good to meet you.
All right. Thank you for showing up.
It's a 4-low cake.
4-low cake.
4-low cake.
There you go. I feel like we're camping right now.
I know, right?
Camping on the parking lot.
Bye, Chris.
Bye.
Nice to meet you, too.
All right. Nice meeting you.
Love hearing your story.
It's making me nervous.
Thank you for watching today's episode. Hit the like and subscribe and hit that notifications button so you can be updated the next time we have a vlog. Thank you.